In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on your Hostinger account with ease. Buckle up, because by the end of this guide, you'll have your WordPress website up and running, ready for you to start customizing and adding your unique touch. Now, let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of website creation. First things first, let's log into your Hostinger account. If you're not already at the Hostinger website, open your web browser and navigate to their homepage. Simply enter your credentials, that's your email and password, and click Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. If you're new to the platform, this dashboard is your primary control panel where all the magic happens. The next step is to find the domain you want to use. Look for the Hosting section on the dashboard. You'll see a list of your domains there. Find the domain you want to install WordPress on and click Manage next to it. This will take you to the control panel specific to that domain, providing various tools at your disposal. Now let's use an incredibly handy feature Hostinger provides, the auto installer. Scroll down until you reach the website section of the control panel and you'll notice the auto installer option. Go ahead and click on it. This tool is designed to make the process of installing applications like WordPress straightforward and hassle-free. In the auto installer tool, you'll see a section for most popular applications. Not surprisingly, WordPress will be right there, given its global popularity as a content management system. Click on WordPress to begin the installation process. This is where the fun really begins, as you're now just a few steps away from having your very own website. Once you've selected WordPress, the next step is to ensure your domain is correct. You'll see a domain selection, and most likely, your Hostinger domain will already be set as the default. If you have multiple domains, though, use the drop-down menu to select the right one. Now, you will need to set up your WordPress administrator details. Here, create a new username, a strong password, and enter your email address. Remember, these credentials will be your keys to accessing the WordPress dashboard, so make sure they're both memorable and secure. Additionally, input your website title. This can always be changed later, so don't overthink it at this stage. Also, select your preferred language for the website, ensuring it's something you're comfortable with for navigation purposes. With everything in place, it's time for the final step. Just click on the Install button. The installation process will kickstart, and in a few moments, your WordPress site will be ready to go. And there you have it, a newly installed WordPress site, all set for you to start crafting your digital presence. I hope this guide was helpful, and I can't wait to see what you'll create with your new WordPress site. Happy building!